All right, let's find x on number 19, section 7.1. Well, if these shapes are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So 3 is the shorter of the two sides. 2x minus 4 is the shorter of these two sides. So these two sides correspond. And these two sides, 4 and x plus 3, correspond. And similarity guarantees that corresponding sides are proportional. Now, what does proportional mean? Proportional means equal ratios. What does that mean? It means two ratios are equal of corresponding sides. So the corresponding sides where short corresponds to short. And the other corresponding ratio is long corresponds to long, 4 to x plus 3. So for that ratio, and now we can find the value of x, because when we have an equation that is a proportion, one ratio equals another, we can solve that equation by cross multiplying. 3 multiplied by x plus 3, and make sure you use parentheses there. And that's equal to 4 times 2x minus 4. Again, make sure you use parentheses. Alright, so we have 3x plus 9 with the distributive property, and 8x minus 16. Subtracting 3x from the left and from the right leaves us with that. And then adding 16 to this negative 16 makes it 0, and adding 16 to the left makes that 25. And then dividing both sides of this equation by 5 gives us x equals 5. And that's it for number 19.